Yes, we are going to talk about the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, loda na mishiwa, la mishiwa pan, ano ajan bukora ke kuida magwasame. Past continuous tense, take mishala affirmative. Affirmative, jen, chera ka mi cha nok ke cha ngajenu chalat, ano ke mi lady door. Neme a negative, neme a interrogative a latine, neme a man gag do, neme a man nyo the guan will take a cherry shall interrogative, mitiji door, ki mitiji ran. Okay. Ki lujan dan deal look if you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to tell me by subscribing. Okay. Affirmative action here came and you the guan which door shelat like the name affirmative action ki got you the guan would lady ki let door con verb of action ke English verb of action ka tin con tin not ka gen would let it door gen chal ke dia can chal ka verb of action on shit ka playing when I get to cocaine was me ka affirmative you the guan was affirmative action challenge quen ki dominate ki tensity banaka ngai kan dia affirmative I was playing. Negative, I wasn't playing. Interrogative, was I playing? Manyam gwada me lar jen wani ta ngarka. Enchant ngarka, ke negative, la gaga je enchant ngarka. Was I playing? And ta ngarka chale la tijene me. So interrogative nyo the teach. Negative nyo the mandana lo lerjarano shanta ngarga ki chanta let tel malada affirmative go nyo the jaguano temele de go dana titin lo nyu the na lada nan ledi you were playing you weren't playing you were not playing they learn or not were you playing he was playing. He wasn't playing. Was he playing? She was playing. Wasn't she playing? She wasn't playing. She wasn't playing. Okay, sorry. Nangala interrogative but negative. She wasn't playing. Lo gaga je changare. Chetangar kenin. Was she playing? No. I was playing. It wasn't playing. Okay, it was playing. It wasn't playing. Was it playing? We were playing. We weren't playing. Were we playing? You were playing. You weren't playing. Were you playing? They were playing. They weren't playing. Were they playing? Gwasame lat kono gwasame ka affirmative la mi che chite chwal ke dio je ngayen na man chal pronouns he ke she ke it ka singular ka plural pronouns man chwal ka gwadame take are take you take a they, take a we, take a thing, titi can entity kachalka can okay pronouns ne. But guadame took on you the guano take a pronoun chakon you guadame a pronouns plus was and were plus verb of action. And a me de con gujano millar kono in a me verb of action what tell me you con gor kon bukon ngaje gwan me right kon ke past it ke where ne ke nyame is where is where some sorry where are where say is no di nen do bdana get karudin ke ka affirmative action no di ngaje no men yaman men use kon gwasme use kon pronouns bukon kula mat where's can I wear a la past tense me present tense they kon use ni where's me de change la am and then they kon gor la don't you I am playing you are playing me present but ko past tense because you use ni past tense titine Merodian gwasme mo kon ke negative nyo do je gwano gaga ne do no shi lere no mo bi kula lardi kana lat ke kana lat ino jen nyot na mche kon en gwata negative gwata me ka affirmative I was playing che kon buga gwasta mene I wasn't playing min nan kon ke interrogative ke ka question na mene te min na menyo da ne te jena me gwata ben min nan kon ke te bu kon nan ala question pom bi wesa me bo ben ala men nyam was I playing bu kon michala pronouns me bo jien ala plural pronouns I bo rejemi bo te dar ba nyu da gwano was I playing alo che kon nen tama she nguger she sentence je ger ko she okay interrogative ala che okay tijen gwasamo ami bi ping gwasame was not per ke ngu ke wasn't mi take a short form ni cha use gwasamo was can en mi cha mo ka posom ni al ke ti nyu perken was not can wasn't perken mubu kon ka where can weren't bo perken were not can weren't perken mu kono ka answer ken yes I was no I wasn't yes I was de kon en positive she negative gwada me mu kono kon ka yes you were number positive but manan kon ka negative de kon no I wasn't no you weren't de chunen gwasa mo jen do badana de practice de lat ke ke past continuous tense gwada dan and go jeno de ngajeno past continuous tense metede past continuous tense ke domna riena ti chopan ke lan michilat pan michi jogdo reten lo chopan chit ke yesterday ke pan ka je cho jok na mo ba chole past continuous tense bukono chole past michi dot ajen ko te ka I was playing you were playing ala were me ngare ne te ngar ke ne no kando to kan dial chole ke past continuous mi jiram jidit gore no bihenyo go je ka listen to dien ani biata kamal chuje pro jeno be subscribe goye bye bye